Hi everyone. I just wanted to get on and do a quick project share of this book that I made for Jazzed Up Crafts. She contacted me and asked me if I would make her one of these books that I previously made in one of my last videos, and I told her sure. And so she wanted me to use Flourish, and so I used the Flourish collection on this one, and it is an envelope, like stuffed envelope book album, and it's made from acetate. So this book is made from acetate, and the front cover is a shaker. You can't really see all the sequin bits from the front, but you can see it when you open it. You can see them a little bit down here and a little bit through this vellum piece that I put here. But anyway, this is what the front looks like. I did put a little bit of lace and a cute little satin ribbon. I distressed a few little tickets. These were like one of the cutout pages, and I just cut those out and distressed them. And here is a little tassel dangly clip-on, whatever you want to call that. The lighting in here is not good. It's been raining here all day, so it's really pretty. And so here's the first envelope, and I did make one of these little rosettes and attached a tassel. Inside here I put another rosette that I made, that I attached one of these little tassels I made to the bottom. The next envelope looks like this. It's just got some a tag, and then just a piece of paper that I rounded the edges and put a little bit of tulle with the gold glitter dots that you get from Hobby Lobby on there. Did a little bit of stitching, put one of the little phrases across here, and did put glitter behind it so that it would stand out a little better. And inside here I made this little acetate little folder, and it opens like this. And inside here I made a couple of cute little embellishments. Just, whoops, this one's a doily with a butterfly and a piece of scrap paper that I just, notched the ends. And then I also stitched down the middle of the butterfly and down the center of this. That's how it's attached to the doily, and it turned out super pretty. And then I made this. I forget what you call these things. They're just you just use your scraps. In here I just die cut a little circle with these little jagged edges. I don't know what you call this. Stitched a couple little banner tails and added a little ticket from the cut apart paper, and added a little gem there and a little gem there. And this one looks like this. It's just scraps that you just, you fishtail the ends, and you make them different sizes. And I die cut a little house out and put it right here, a little bow, put a little heart bling there in the center, and stitched it all together. And they're super cute. And if you were like making a scrapbook page or something, all you have to do, is just like attach one of these to your scrapbook page and put your photo, or attach it to the top of your photo or something. They're real cute. I mean, it'd be a fast scrapbook page. And so that's what's in the middle of this page right here, this envelope. This envelope, I just made one of the Maggie Holmes die cut flowers. The dies that you die cut yourself. And so in here is just some of the flowers that I made. I put them together. This is all the Flourish collection. And then I also die cut some leaves and then some smaller ones. And I kind of staggered the packaging so she could see what's in each one. And anyway, that's what's in this envelope. And this one looks like this. It's just a bunch of scraps and little tickets. And this is a piece of paper that I just kind of folded and stitched it and then put a cute little bow there in the middle. And inside here, I've just enclosed a bunch of pieces of paper that I just ruffled, I folded them and then stitched down the center. Added some cute little bows already tied up and some little houses so that she can make her own little embellishments like these if she wanted to, with these little houses on them. And so that's what's in here. And then in this one, I just embellished it with a butterfly and put a bunch of butterflies that I made. I die cut these and put them together and stitched down the middle. There's 3 layers to each butterfly. There's a gold butterfly, and then there's like this one's a pink flourish paper, and then this one's the yellow and green. So each one's different, and then I stuck some little doilies in there so that if she wanted to, she could make this one. And so that's what is inside this last envelope. And then here in the back, I just made a little tag and attached a bunch of different colored seam bindings. I couldn't figure out how to attach them without, every time I stuck a pin in there, it would snag the seam binding fabric, like it would pull the strings, and so that wasn't working out. And I didn't want to tape it, and so I like punched these holes out and just tied each one so that it would stay. And so far, so good. So anyway, that's my little project share. This is going out to Jazzy. She is Jasmine. She is Jazzed Up Crafts on Instagram, and I believe that's her name here on YouTube. I'm not sure she has a YouTube, but anyway, this is what I made for her, and I wanted to share it before I send it out. So thanks for watching.